We would like to take this special time to give thanks to everyone who has taken part in restoring the landscape for Old 32 Chapel in Sardinia, Ohio. A very special thank you to Nick and Becca, Carla and Ernie, who did all the landscaping, including the equipment and upkeep needed, as well as mowing the lawn. Thank you to the Old 32 gals for providing all the flowers that can now be seen in our wonderful flower bed. The Old 32 Chapel shines brighter in Sardinia, Ohio, thanks to everyone who participated in this restoration process. We hope to see everyone come fellowship with us every Sunday and Wednesday. For more information, visit our Facebook page for our hours, as well as any upcoming events we have planned.